Cool. Alright guys, so today I'm going to make a DIY fly trap. Actually I'm going to upgrade one that I already made, because initially what I did was I used yeast and sugar. The fermentation was supposed to attract the flies. Well, yeah, anyways, that did not work at all. Maybe that works for suburban flies and fruit flies, but these farm flies are pretty hectic. So, upgrading. Basically just had a 2-liter plastic bottle. Doesn't matter what size. All that matters is that when you cut it, you can turn it around and just push it in like that. Okay, so we're going to see if this works. I'll leave it off for a week, and then I'll give you guys an update. Here's some more. This is better. Alright, so the ingredients I'm using today is old cat food. Oh, and okay, so we've got cooked chicken. That's going in. You know, I even put a rotten egg. What else did I put in there? I put raw chicken liver. Yeah, I think that's, and something else into the yeast mixture. Okay? And 3 days later in the full sun, it still smelled like bread. Couldn't believe it. Anyway, so this, what is this? Okay, this is cooked chicken liver. And this is like a fish food, lucky pair, it's like pilchard. So this fish I think is going to be the main trick. I'm actually just going to smack all of it in there. I really want this to be as stinky and attractive to these gremlins as possible. So, now we're going to smack some water in here. Oh, and then the other trick is sunlight soap. So I'm just going to go get some. Alright guys, I'm back. So then the final thing is a few drops of sunlight liquid, just to break the surface tension of the water, so that when they land on the water they sink, so they don't just like float on, skate on the top of the water. Just add another little drop. Come on. Boom. There we go. That should work. Okay. A little bit of a stir. Alright, so this is nice and dry. And then just so don't go in there and buzz around, land on the side, and then come up and find a little gap and escape. Just going to use some of this. Oh, like this. Yeah. There's so many things flying around here. Alright, and then just fold it over like so. Maybe just do another one. There we go. Right. Why am I doing that? I thought it was a good technique. That is not. Right, bam, let's do this. Alright, so this is my DIY, newly upgraded fly trap. I'm going to post this today, because I know that's going to work. But I'll do an update in 5 days as well. I mean, already. Anyway, thanks for watching. Welcome to the channel if it's your first time here. If you're a follower, I appreciate your support. I hope everyone has a good day. And yeah, until next time. Thanks guys. Cheers.